and welcome to Rev Sports. I'm Gargi Raut and I'm here in Dubai, and in this video I'm going to give you 3 important pieces of information regarding the whole drama that unfolded yesterday. Now if we go chronologically, number one thing that happened was after the whole handshake gate, PCB wrote to ICC demanding that Andy Pycroft should be removed as the match referee, or some penalization should happen or whatever. And in the next match between Pakistan and UAE, Andy Pycroft should be removed. Now, ICC squashed that first letter that PCB had written to them. The second time around, they sent a letter once again where PCB had virtually demanded 2 things. One is Andy Pycroft's replacement as the match referee in the Pakistan UAE game, and number 2, that an official investigation should be launched into the officials that were a part of the India-Pakistan game. Now, 3 important pieces of information have come out of this. One is that Andy Pycroft was found not guilty by the ICC. ICC spelt it out very clearly that Andy Pycroft has not breached any code of conduct of the ICC, and he has been found not guilty. So Andy Pycroft was off the hook. Not that he did anything wrong. There's nothing that he could have done. Number 2, there were a lot of rumors going around on social media. There was a lot of discourse. There were a lot of Pakistani channels as well talking about the fact that Andy Pycroft had apologized to Pakistan or the PCB here. But that's not the whole truth. The truth here is Andy Pycroft only apologized saying, or rather, he only apologized if there was any miscommunication. It's not as if he went out there and apologized to the PCB or the Pakistan team saying, I'm sorry, the handshake did not happen and it's my fault. That's not what happened. What happened is that he said, if there was any communication, I apologize for that. Number 3, the point here is that regarding the second demand of the PCB in that second letter that they sent to the ICC, where they had asked for an official investigation to be launched into the officials that were a part of the India-Pakistan game, ICC has now reverted back to them and have asked what area they would like to be investigated. Of course, when PCB went ahead and said we want an investigation into the officials, what exactly do they mean? What are they trying to insinuate? Are they insinuating that certain decisions went in favor of India unfairly? Are they trying to insinuate that the handshake gate should not have happened and the officials did not do their job well, or something like that? That is what the ICC wants to know now. ICC simply wants to know what area PCB wants there to be an investigation of. So these are the 3 important news points that have come out of this whole ordeal. Number 1, to sum it up, Andy Pycroft was found not guilty by the ICC. He has not breached any code of conduct. Number 2, Andy Pycroft did not apologize exclusively. He said that if there's been any miscommunication, then there was an apology for that. That's all. And number 3, ICC now wants to know, has reverted back to the PCB and asked what area they need an investigation is. So we'll be with you, we'll be giving you all the updates, all the latest updates will be on the Rev Sports platform. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and keep watching.